My name is Xandru. I'm from Sunrise Agency and I'm visiting London for 24 hours.
Definitely it's the wrong weather for the period of the year we are, but I think we can get some sunshine with the music. So I'll try to do my best in the DJ booth and bring some love to the people.
And I'm playing in a Nomad club for Locomotive Events. And hopefully it will be a very, very nice party. I'm looking forward.
Hi, I'm Gabriel Amaru, and every month, once a month, you'll be watching me, hearing me playing here in Club Nomad, located in Outside, very well known area for people going crazy. Yeah, so Rakun.
I'm from Slovenia, I live in Ibiza. That's why for me it's a big shock coming here because I'm just coming now from Serbia. I played there a gig and was 35 degrees during the night. So I came here and it was a 20 degrees difference and I got a shock. I have just a little jumper. I don't have a jacket, I don't have nothing. I'm gonna die tomorrow probably. So, but I will play until I die.
House, tech house, techno, minimal tech, mainly tech.
I just came in the club now, the atmosphere is quite good, people are dancing, enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to start and see what happens.